শুকরিয়া তোমার হে পরবর্দিগার 100 বছর পূর্ণ হলো লাজনা ইমাইল্লাহ
13th October 2023 is an unforgettable day for Lajna Imillah Bangladesh. On this day, Nusrat Jahan Mosque, the centenary memorial mosque of Lajna Imillah Bangladesh constructed in Tahir residential area in Saidpur, was inaugurated. Alhamdulillah. From the very early age of Islam, women have played a leading role in religious services and sacrifices alongside men. When Hazrat Khalifatul Masih II radiyallahu ta'ala anhu established the Lajna Imillah Organization for Women as the first auxiliary organization of the Jamaat in 1922, its purpose was to improve the standard of ta'lim, tarbiyat and sacrifice in Ahmadi women.